Okay, so in this question we have to use the partial fractions to simplify the integrand first. So what we will do, we will write the integrand in terms of partial fractions. So it would be in this form then. So now you can see in the numerator the total power would be 1, the denominator total power would be 4. So you can write a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 2 squared plus, now in the next term you have x squared plus 4. What you will do, you will write cx plus d. So we know this from the partial fraction theory. So x squared plus 4. Now the next goal would be to find ABCD. So now I will get the common denominator. So when I get the common denominator, what I will have is 16. 4x plus 1 is equal to a times x minus 2 x squared plus 4 plus b times x squared plus 4 time plus, then you get cx plus d. Here you get x minus 2 squared. Now you need to find ABCD. Now what you will do, if x is equal to 2, so the left hand side would be, so you get 2 here, so it's going to be 8 plus 1 9 into 16 is equal to, when x is equal to 2, the first term is gone and the third term also gone, so you get b 2 squared is equal to 4, so it's going to be 8. So b would be, now you can say 2 times 9 is going to be 18. So you found your first value b. Now okay, so now here we found b. Now there are 3 variables which we don't know, a, c and d. We don't know that. So generally if you have 3 variables, so you should have 3 simultaneous equations to find those, right? So what we will do, so we will simply play with values between 0. So I would say x is equal to 0 first. When x is equal to 0, what I will get, left hand side I get 16, right hand side I get minus 2. When it is 0, it's going to be 4. So 4 times minus 2 is minus 4, so it's minus 4a. Then b is 18, so 18 times you get 4, then plus, now x is 0, so I get d minus 2 square is 4, so 4d, right? So I get 16 is equal to minus 4a plus, so this is going to be 36, it's going to be 72 plus 4d, and this is my equation 2. Then what I will do, I will get x is equal to 1. So then your left hand side would be 4 plus 5, so it's going to be 16 times 5. Your right hand side would be, it's going to be 1 now, so 5 minus 5a, then plus b is 18, so x is equal to 1, it's going to be 5 now, plus now x is equal to 1, so c plus d, right? So x is equal to 1, so it's going to be 1 here. So now here we get 16 into 5 is 80, 18 into 5 is 90, minus 5a plus c plus d. So this is my third equation. Now what I will do, so we can do this quickly actually, but I take my time because I need to explain it better. So when x is equal to minus 1, your left hand side is minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, so 16 times minus 3 is equal to, now minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 times 5, so it's minus 15 8 plus b, we have 18, x is equal to minus 1, it's going to be 5 now, times 5 plus minus c plus d, if you put minus 1 there, so it's minus 3, it's going to be 9. Now here you get 48 minus is equal to minus 15a plus 90. Here you get minus 9c plus 90, and that is my fourth equation. So now if you check equation number 2, 3 and 4, we have 3 simultaneous equations and 3 variables, so we should be able to find we should be able to find a, c and d. Okay, so if we solve these 3 simultaneously, we get a as minus 4 divided by 7, c as 12 divided by 7, d as minus 102 divided by 7. So now what we can do, we can rewrite this, which is our original equation was a divided by x minus 2, so I would say minus 4 divided by 7 x minus 2, so b would be 18, so that would be plus 18 x minus 2 squared, then c, right, so c would be 12 divided by 7, so it's going to be 12x divided by 7, okay, and d would be minus 102 divided by 7, the whole thing divided by x squared plus 4. So this is what we got. So left hand side would be 16 4x plus 1, then that is divided by x minus 2 squared, then x squared plus 4, x squared plus 4. So this is what we have now. Now if you want to integrate this, right, so integration of this would be, you have to individually consider this one. So right hand side would be, I'm going to take minus 4 out, so minus 4 divided by 7, the whole thing I'm going to take out, so that would be x minus 2 dx. Then I'm going to take 18 out from the second term, integration 1 divided by x minus 2 squared dx. Then I will split this third term here, so I will take the first term, which is plus 12 divided by 7, I take out, then integration x divided by x squared plus 4 dx. Then I will take minus 102 divided by 7, I can take out, integration 1 divided by x squared plus 4 dx. So now we have to integrate these things. So first term minus 4 divided by 7, so integration 1 divided by x minus 2, that would be ln x minus 2 mod. The second one would be minus that would be 18 divided by x minus 2. The last one, okay, so the last one would be minus, so I'm taking this one, I will keep this one for now, so that would be 102 divided by 7. This one would be tan inverse x divided by a, right? So you know, tan inverse x divided by a, right? So if you differentiate this dx, so what you get a divided by a squared plus x squared. So now I can construct it. So I am going to put 2 on top, and then I am going to divide that here, and then I will write integration, so 2 divided by x squared plus 4 dx, and then I will keep the other term, which is x divided by x squared plus 4 dx. Okay, so now I will take this one. So this one is nothing but tan inverse x divided by 2. Now a becomes 2, so I can rewrite. So this is going to be minus 4 divided by 7 ln x minus 2 mod minus 18 divided by x minus 2. Then here I get minus 102 divided by 14. Then I get tan inverse x divided by 2, and so this final term we have to take care now. So 12 divided by 7 integration x divided by x squared plus 4 dx. So this term now we have to take care. So now the problem is to find this integration. So I will take it separately here. So x divided by x squared plus 4 dx, right? So here I will use a substitution where u is equal to x squared plus 4. Then what is du? So I will differentiate respect to x here, u, so that would be 2x now, right? So I get dx as du divided by 2x. Okay, so now dx would be du divided by 2x, so that I will write here, and I will keep x here, so x squared plus 4 is going to be u now, and I can see the cancellation over here. So that would be now integration 1 divided by u du, which is, so there is a half here, which is going to be ln u mod. So u is x squared plus 4, so that would be half ln x squared plus 4 mod. So all good now. So what I can say now, I can put this one over here. So finally it's going to be minus 4 divided by 7 ln x minus 2 mod minus 18 divided by x minus 2, then minus 102 divided by 14, tan inverse x divided by 2. I have 2 here, so 2 and 12 is going to be cancelled each other, so it's going to be plus 6 divided by 7, ln natural log x squared plus 4 mod, don't forget to put integration constant k, and that would be the answer to this question. Okay, so in this question we have to integrate sine squared x cos x dx. So what I will do, I will use substitution where u is equal to sine x. We'll see how this works. If u is equal to sine x, and then you can differentiate this respect to x, so that's going to be cos x. Now you will see, if you cross multiply, du is equal to cos x dx, which is this term over here. So you can say this is du, right? So now it would be integration sine squared. Now sine squared is u squared, just du, very easy. So this is going to be u3 divided by 3 plus k. Now what is u here? Sine x, so it's going to be sine cube divided by 3 plus k. That's the answer.